Following your heart can lead you to the craziest places. I am lucky, I am blessed, I can't believe I get to see the world like this. Last week, I got the amazing opportunity to explore Big Island, Hawaii with Hyundai and drive their new Kona SUV around the island. I fell in love with the white sand beaches, warm ocean water, amazing food, and scenery. It was such a refreshing getaway, and I also conquered a few fears too. Special thanks to Hyundai for sponsoring this video, and huge thanks to you all for watching, supporting, and making all of this possible. What's up, guys? I just made it to Hawaii. You see the beach, it's right here. It's so gorgeous here, and right now is the perfect time of day for lighting. But I'm just here on the Kona side of Big Island. I'm really excited about my trip. I think I'm gonna try to see some sea turtles. We're gonna go zip lining, which I'm pretty scared about, but I think it'll be a good time. So let's go to the ocean.
Hear it beeping? That means it sees the tree.
Oh.
So you see this?
So it's our first official day in Kona, and right now I'm driving to the other side of the island. We stayed on the west side, and we're driving to the east side for lunch. It's supposed to be a really pretty spot, so we'll see. I'm just hoping it doesn't rain today so I can go to the beach later or something. Having lunch at this place called Palm Cliff House Inn. It's a really cute house, and it's on a cliff where you see the ocean. The view is so nice. It is a little rainy, but thank God it's not pouring. So got some food, especially excited about poke and all this guac. Let's do it. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feelings you do. No one can do it like you. So my plan today kind of changed around because I didn't realize our lunch was on this side of the island, so we have no plans. We're just going to drive around and stop at wherever we think is pretty. I'm here with Wilson. I saw a really pretty bridge, so we just parked the car and we're just gonna go take some pictures. As you can see, we got to drive around the island in the new Hyundai Kona. The Hyundai Kona is an all-wheel drive SUV that's super tech-friendly and the perfect size for going on adventures. My favorite tech features of the Kona are Apple CarPlay for playing music, and check this out, wireless charging for your phone. I've never seen that in a car before, so it really blew my mind. Lastly, another feature that we used quite often was the Blue Link destination search with voice command.
Please say the name of the point of interest.
Mauna Kea Hotel. It's so convenient and even worked when our cell phones had no reception, so I felt safe knowing we wouldn't get lost while exploring. Honestly, it was so comfortable driving and riding in the Hyundai Kona. This car has everything you need, but not too much that it's wasteful. It was the perfect car to explore the island with, and super fun to drive too. Check out the link in the description if you want to learn more about the Hyundai Kona. We made it to this place called Waipio Bay, and I see it from here. It's so beautiful. It's like a mountain, an ocean, so pretty, right? sun is coming out on our way back to the hotel. Driving towards the ocean on the other side. Wow. Being in the sun, it makes me feel so much better. I love it. It's so pretty here. Like the sun is setting, it's on the water, it's just gorgeous. Love it. Good morning. So just had breakfast. Now I'm just walking and taking photos of the beach. Today we're going zip lining and we're actually going in like a couple hours, so I have some time to relax and chill, which is really nice.
I know it's here that I belong, in a new land, far from where I used to know.
I'll just set up my drone and see what happens. At this point, I thought it'd be a good idea to set up my drone and get some epic beach shots, but keep in mind, I just started using this, so I'm just gonna let you keep watching and see what happens.
Take off.
Oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Sorry. Accident. Oh god. That was bad. Let me rewind that for you. So what happened was, lifting off the drone, I was trying to get the drone in the shot with the vlog, so I put it close to me. It got caught at the edge of the umbrella above me, right around here, and it started flying around like crazy. Look at my index finger, it's already bleeding and I don't even know. I'm just doing my best to try to land it as gracefully as possible, but people around me were watching. I was, you know, very flustered at this moment. Oh my god.
Take off.
I am freaking terrified flying this thing right now. Oh my god. Dude, the drone cut my finger. Do you see this? These are my battle wounds. This is so scary. Also, I got some cuts here. I still gotta fly it though. By the way, another casualty. I sat on my sunglasses as I was trying to catch that drone. Okay, what a morning. Alright, so we're gonna go zip lining now, and the weather is amazing. I hope that it is sunny on the other side of the island. We'll see. I was gonna drive today, but because of said injury, I will not be driving. Yeah, I just want to relax and enjoy this sun. Check out the view. We're gonna be zip lining through these trees. Got the gear on, ready to go in the bed.
How'd you know?
So just sit.
I know you had
I just sit back.
Yep. Sit
Now?
down, slide off. Good to go.
Ah! Ready?
Next,
Go. Woo! Okay. That was fun.
Can we do it again?
Yeah, we're gonna do it again. 8 more times. Now we're going on a long zip line that goes over the river for a long time.
Yeah, you should definitely film yourself.
We're going extra high up this time.
We're gonna climb up and see.
It is so long, but it is beautiful. Wilson. Oh my god, it's amazing! Oh my god! Oh, this is fun. I can do this. Okay, don't make it. Oh my god, please. Okay, seriously, guys, look at my feet. Look at the river. Yes. Oh my god, I'm like wobbly. Oh, you're the worst. This is literally the worst.
Not me, I swear. Not me.
Wow.
Were you scared on that bridge?
Yeah, it was just annoying when you're making me wobble. I can't walk straight.
That wasn't making you wobble.
Yeah, you were.
That wasn't me, I swear.
It was just doing that. Just finished ziplining and I feel great. I'm ready to just chill out because that was exhilarating and took a while. It was like 2 hours, so yay, what a great day. This was actually a very exhilarating day. We ended the night with the most amazing dinner on the beach. After dinner, we just sat by the fire, shared stories, and laughed with some new friends. I'm so grateful for this opportunity to explore Kona, meet new people, and stretch myself in new ways. I learned something new about myself and about life each time. The island taught me that you can find beauty and happiness in the simplest things, like breathing in the fresh air or driving on the open road. It's not so much about the places you go, but the people you share your time with and the memories you make. I also pushed myself to be more adventurous and do things that scare me. Each time I do this, it's uncomfortable, but I know I'm growing. I'm inspired to bring this more into my everyday life, just always making the most of the moment and enjoying the beauty in all things the Kona way. Hope you guys enjoyed this little journey. Sending all my love. Bye.